friends, I am Shourya. Welcome to Maths is Easy. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Maths is Easy. Are you finding difficulty in basic trigonometry? क्या आपको trigonometry की identities learn नहीं होती है? So this video is for you. चलिए खेल खेल में सीखते हैं trigonometry. ब्रो ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है, कोई डायनासोर नहीं. यू आर ब्रेव इनफ, यू कैन डू इट. You know, I have learned these all identities before 2 years when my mother was teaching trigonometry to her students. I was listening and learn. So let's get started. There are 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Trigonometry begins from a right triangle. This is an acute angle theta. This long side is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular. This is base. बेबी को base पसंद है. This is not that base. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base. Now cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta because it is the opposite of sin theta, equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta equals to 1 by cos theta equals to hypotenuse upon base. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. 1 by tan theta equals to base upon perpendicular. Teacher is explaining these ratios. Then it seems too easy. But how to remember it? I have a trick for it. From that you can memorize it. Let's see the trick to memorize these ratios. Parker, hey baby. Peter Bro Parker, hey baby. This is not a song, this is a trick. Peter Bro Parker, hey baby, like this. The P and H is for sin, B and H for cos, and P and B for tan. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin, sec theta is reciprocal of cos, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. तो देखा ना फ्रेंड्स, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज कितना इजी है. Now let's talk about trigonometric identities. There are 3 trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Repeat again and again it in your mind. That is the trick to memorize the identities of trigonometry. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From that we can make sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. And second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. From that we can make 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. From this we can make 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Maths is treasure, maths is pleasure, and maths is easy.